was such a great pleasure visiting the Indus University and especially interacting with the young crowd. We talked about a wide range of subjects. You see, artificial intelligence and stars and cosmology and so on. Our key emphasis was that knowledge is one, knowledge is unity, and going deeper into one subject leads you to the mastery of all the subjects. There are no shortcuts really. This important issues were discussed. Such a great pleasure being here at the Indus. Thank you.
It was an excellent experience being at Indus University, and we are very glad to get invited and also being interacting with Pankaj ji, the Vice Chancellor, and the other staff members who are very creatively working hard to make the university excellent. Here, I'll be talking of Viksit Bharat. When we talk of Viksit Bharat, we have to do fundamental work, as Sir also said, and he believes very strongly. I also think on the same direction that we need to have very clear in fundamentals of science, and then it can be resulted into applications of technology, and with all this wide base of knowledge we can grow in future. And we are thankful to university administration also that we got chance to interact with such good minds. Thanks.